Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set custom message ringtone on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on open. From here, just tap on accept and continue. Now just tap on not now. From here, just tap on ringtones at the bottom of the screen. And at the top of the screen, just select notification sounds. And from here, just select any notification sound which you like. For example, I will select this one. After you select the sound which you want to set as your message ringtone, then tap on the download icon and select set notification. Now just enable this toggle. And after you enable this toggle, then go back. After you download the notification ringtone, then the next step is to go to your home screen and open settings. In settings, just tap on sounds and vibration. And from here, you will find the option of message tone. Just tap on it, then tap on this device. And from here, just select the notification ringtone which we have downloaded. Just like that. Now, as you can see, we have successfully set a custom message ringtone on our Oppo phone. But remember that the message tone option only appears when you use Oppo's own messaging app on your smartphone. But if you use Google Messages instead of Oppo's own messaging app, the message tone option will disappear from the settings app. Just like that. And in that case, just tap on notification tone, then tap on this device and select the custom notification tone which we have downloaded. And it will set the custom notification tone as the default notification tone for all the notifications of your smartphone. And this is how you can set custom message ringtone on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.